Hello everyone, Shrey Surya Mishra and welcome to the Digital Marketing course by Nerdy Academy. It is a course specifically developed for potential entrepreneurs or people who want to upskill themselves. So if you are seeking for a job in the expect of marketing department of any company, this is the best course for you. The best certificate course that you can get yourself into. A 1-month course both in Hindi and English with limited number of people on board, live online interaction, amazing content on the back end, regular quizzes and tests to check where you are, and the best part about the course is you make your own campaigns from scratch to advanced, everything at once. So here we're going to figure out what exactly you'll be learning from the course. Here we go. Okay, so Digital Marketing Certified Training Program by Shrey Surya Mishra, that's me. Okay, and here's a chance to pursue this live course, live meaning it's online one-to-one. Okay, it's on the go, it's active, it's live, and it will definitely help you to strengthen your CV and make you more employable. If you're seeking for a job, a perfect course to make you more employable. Okay, what kind of skill sets do you have? You're going to polish those, right? So digital marketing will give you an advent with a lot of stuff like this platform we are seeing, Google Ads. Now, how to make Google Ads from scratch, how to create a new campaign, what are Google Ads, what are Google Search Ads, what are Google Map Ads, what's YouTube marketing, everything around Google Ads, what's CPC, cost per click, how to make a campaign, how to manage the keyword, the optimization, the extension, what is an extension. So we're going to learn everything in the aspect of Google Ads, okay, how to edit the budget, how to make sure your campaign is reaching your optimum audience, and this campaign that we have made for us like Nerdy Academy, how to get tricky keywords on board, how to check the analytics, how to give the report to your potential employer. So each and everything about Google Ads. So that's the screen which tells you a lot about conversions, analytics, and kind of complicated right now, but we'll make it damn simple for you. For any company, if in case you want to do campaigns, you can do them via Google Ads, and I think we'll learn everything, and I guarantee this thing that all my students will be learning everything about Google Ads. How to check reports, how to prepare a PDF of these reports, what is the meaning of these reports, what's the difference between reach and impression, everything that you can potentially imagine to be kind of easy, we make it easier for you and majorly structured into Indian population. So, you know, what is actually useful in India. So Google Ads is one platform. The second platform is QuickBooks. So that's the financial management of any company. You can even be employable in the finance department of any company. So you want to check the reports, you want to add an expense, you want to add a check, you want to sync your bank account, you name it, we teach it. So creation of a balance sheet, a profit and loss account, how to check these reports, what's a business snapshot. So QuickBooks is the best platform in India right now to manage financials of any company. We teach that to you throughout. That's my profile over there. The third platform is Instagram. How to make reels, how to get quality reach on reels, okay, how to put up some aesthetic content, how to make sure your Instagram is optimized for personal and professional use. The next platform is Facebook. Now the blue Facebook and the gray Facebook. The blue Facebook here, which we see, what is a lead center, how to pay Facebook so that you can reach more and more people, what's a campaign objective, how do you manage jobs, how you can post jobs for free, what kind of hashtags you might want to use, how to make some quick campaigns, how to get more WhatsApp messages, how to get more messages, any advertisement whatsoever that you have ever seen on Facebook and Instagram, we teach you that. Wow, this Ads Manager, that's the next platform we learn about. So Ads Manager will be something about, might look tricky right now, but again, damn simple. We teach it from basic to advanced, everything. Okay, how to make a campaign, how to edit a campaign, how to view the analytics of any campaign, how to view the results, what's a CTR, a click-through rate, what's a CAC, the customer acquisition cost, how you have to be known to these terms so that you can manage your campaigns in a more optimized way. So anything and everything, the billing cycle, the ads manager, the content creation, the hashtag, everything we teach you. Okay. The next platform is Canva. Now, Canva will be something about making designs, whatever kind of designs, whether it's personal designs, professional designs, marketing designs, educational designs, all these designs you can see right now. It's done in like within 5 minutes or something. So say you want to make your CV, how to make a CV, okay? Let's say your name is Nerdy, okay? So you just put up Nerdy over there, and it's that easy, it's all for free. So all these campaigns we learn all for free. Say your name is Sakshi. So you put up that name over there, and how you can edit from a template, how you can create designs which can later on be optimized in any of these campaign pages. So creation of designs, Canva, the best platform in the world right now, the easiest to use platform. Okay, we teach you everything about Canva. In this 1 month training program, we normally like to structure it in a way that is teaching you how to make designs, teaching you how to manage financials, teaching you all the best platforms in the world, everything, so that you are known to the digital marketing expert from scratch. You are more independent. You don't need help with designing part, with campaigning part, with budgeting part, with finance part. We teach you everything, right? What's a CRM? How to manage a good CRM like Salesforce or Lead Squad. That's your entry to corporate world. How to make a free website on Wix. We teach you that as well. How to have a good LinkedIn reach, So this is my LinkedIn account over here, okay? How to optimize your LinkedIn page, how to write down LinkedIn blogs, how to give a job on LinkedIn. Say you want to see any job, you want to find a job, okay, on LinkedIn. Say you want to be a digital marketing expert on LinkedIn anywhere in India. So you can find a lot of jobs that way, right? So we teach you how to find the best possible job out of a lot of results that you can see right now, and how to see the job description. So whether you want to apply for a job, whether you want to give a job, we're there. So LinkedIn it is, and LinkedIn has a lot of benefits, the work profile, the learning, the talent solutions. We teach you everything about LinkedIn, okay? Then LinkedIn has this campaign manager, which can make you reach professionally to people who matter. So we teach you how to do that as well via LinkedIn Campaign Manager, how to post a job for free, how to receive applicants. So your company, working for any company, that company needs to work on the HR department, you can help them out, okay? So I believe this can be a good course for you to work 360-degree on any company's profile or your own company, okay? So again, if you want to be employed or if you want to be an employer, perfect course for you, okay? So that's LinkedIn, okay? And then how you can hire more people from say Indeed or Internshala, Naukri.com. We discussed these platforms as well. How to use Google Sheets. Now this is actually getting ahead from digital marketing to learning aspects of computer, and you might be better with computers after pursuing this course, okay? So how to do Google My Business, how to make an account, how to create a campaign, how to put yourself on Google Map, and how to make a free website. So this is the Google My Business account, okay? How to add and how to keep adding regular posts so that you are optimized on the search engine you're working. So search engine optimization, its benefits, its elements, its definition, and the ways which have proven certain to actually optimize your campaigns. How to make a free website. This is as easy as that. So let's suppose it's Nerdy Home Tutors Mumbai. I want to make it Nerdy Home Tutors Maharashtra. Just few edits here and there, and my site will be live in a jiffy, and so will be your site. So ideally, when we'll be learning about Google My Business, we'll make your own free website. So be ready to get into the digital advent of things, okay? So Google My Business learned, Facebook learned, this is the website, right? You can get more reviews, you can optimize your website, and I think that's a perfect start for all the people who are starting new, okay? Again, this might be really beneficial for people, and we have amazing quizzes. So these are all the quizzes. After we complete any chapter, we have a quiz associated with it, in which we compete amongst ourselves, and say we have to have a quiz on Google Ads. So the way to learn it is, I teach you Google Ads, you make a campaign on Google Ads, you discuss your doubts, and then you actually give a test on Google Ads. If you secure more than 60%, then we go through with the next platform. So we ensure that you are learning. So this quiz is one of the best platforms I like. It has cool quizzes, okay? So this is one of them, and you can have these answers, you can get boosters, you can get power ups, So it's a four-fold learning methodology: live training, a good content, you doing the campaigns yourselves with doubts and discussions, and then test in the end of it. That's Nerdy Academy in London, in Germany, in Poland, in Mumbai, Indore, Bhopal, Raipur, Bhilai, and Indonesia. We're kind of recognized across the globe. And that's me representing it in Indonesia. That was one of the TEDx I gave. And that's, again, Global Entrepreneurs Program in Germany. Now, a lot of platforms that we have been working with. That's the website of Nerdy Academy. Okay, that's our profiles. Shrey Suru Mishra and Aishu Gajendra, your two educators for this particular course, will teach you that personally, everything personally. So I take care of all my people. I make sure my people learn. That's a brochure which you can also download from the website. And if you have the brochure, then you can see how the training happens. I was telling you about it. Live online sessions, one-to-one. Okay. You create your own ad, so it's not all theory, it's majorly practical. 50% of the stuff we learn is by practical. Doubts, discussions, okay, if you do a campaign, you have a doubt, you give me a WhatsApp text, I'll help you out, for probably lifetime. Test, awards, appreciations, that's me. I was the president and CEO of Nerdy Private Limited. I am the president and CEO right now. I've learned digital marketing from AMU Trade in London. I have 7+ years of experience in that, and I was awarded the Entrepreneur of the Year award as well. Ayushi is a person who has represented India at UNESCO, and a very studious person. These are the platforms we learn about. I told you about them: Google, Facebook, Instagram, Canva, QuickBooks, OLX, Quicker, Just Dial, SEO, you name it, we teach it, and throughout, from basic to advanced, both in Hindi and English. Okay, you get a certificate at the end of the course stating that you have worked profoundly well. The price of the course is 20,000. Unless you're not getting, if you're getting a discount, it's different, but ideally it's 20,000. These are a few pictures from across the globe. This is me in London, that's me in Poland, this is me in TEDx Pandri, where I was representing my company. So a lot of things here and there. Okay, now the major thing you ought to know about the whole company is why you want to do it. Okay, the whole brochure is downloadable, so you can go to our website, download the brochure, watch this video again, kind of fast forward right now, but we'll teach it really slow so that you understand everything, you adhere to all the concepts we speak about. Now, the most important element of the course that you should know about is why you're doing it. Number one reason is you're upskilling yourself, and I can guarantee that you have the best educators in the country who have themselves been involved in the digital marketing campaigns. We know it face to face. We have done it. We have spent crores and crores of rupees on it, and we teach you that both in English and Hindi again. So even if you're not that fluent in English, it's okay. We will use Hindi as the method or the language of communication with you, and we guarantee you that any platform I take and you attend those classes, you are going to learn. And it's not just because of the amazing certificate, which is UNESCO affiliated and Government of India recognized company. It's not because of that certification that you're doing that course. It's also because of the learnings that you will have, which will eventually lead to you getting a job or being, Entrepreneur of the Year someday. So welcome to the course, and it's a 1-month training program. I'm all here, and I really want you here. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.